I am Sai Jathan and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the AnTuTu benchmark test on the Realme X7 Max device when the battery percentage is kind of close to 10%. So yes friends, by doing this kind of test you will be getting to know how well the phone will be able to handle in the low battery situation, whether the performance will be compromised or not. That is what we'll get to know in this test. So that is the reason I did select the AnTuTu benchmark application. So mainly, so right now let me try to show you friends, when the battery percentage is really high, so this is how much score you can expect in this phone in the Realme X7 Max device. So even though I'm using the Realme X7 Max, still the AnTuTu benchmark application says about Realme GT Neo. I'm not sure what's that kind of problem is. As you can see right now, I'm trying to use only the Realme X7 Max in this video, and this is a test which I did when the battery percentage is slightly higher, maybe 30 and 40%. But right now I'll be doing again another test. So let's see in this kind of test what will be the results will be there in this phone when the battery percentage is below kind of close to 10%, as you can clearly see friends. So let's get started with this kind of test and let's check the temperature, how much will be there beginning of the test. So right now it's of 37 degrees and 36 degrees, not much. So by the end of the test we'll get to know how is the temperatures are varying in this particular model. So this is an extreme kind of stress test I'll be putting on each and every smartphone I get, and previously I did put a lot of pressure on the IQ7 particular model. So make sure to check that video friends on the IQ7 device. You'll find really how much stress I put on that phone. So still the phone was able to perform as it is, so without any problem. That is what I like in the phone. So let's see whether this phone can be that kind of monster or not in terms of the performance. So in my kind of testing I'll try to do in my way. So in case if you want me to do any other kind of testing, so make sure to comment in the community post which I have created. So comment under that community post, that will be really helpful. So all the comments I'll try to take and I'll try to do the videos one by one every day starting from today and tomorrow. So right now let's see how much score we'll be getting in this AnTuTu benchmark test when the battery percentage is kind of slightly close to 10%. This is a very unique test which I'm doing for the first time in this phone, in the Realme X7 Max, and the temperature slightly increased to 39 degrees. So again I'll be back after some time of continuing the test, so then we'll be able to decide how much temperature it increased. So right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to 50%. I can definitely feel the temperature started to increase in the phone. It increased up to 44.4 degrees as you can see friends. So this is what I'm trying to look after this phone. So just checking the temperatures, how much the phone will be increasing if you're trying to use this kind of extreme conditions. So which is testing the AnTuTu benchmark below 10%. So 44.4 as you can see friends, all the fours you got 44.4. So it's really high, and some of the users, they do have really concerns about the heating problems which is happening in these phones. I'll try to make another video as well on that separately, so make sure to stay tuned. And right now the battery percentage is kind of 6% as you can exactly see here. So I'm afraid that the battery might drain a lot if you do this kind of testing below 10%, but let's see what will happen with the results. As you can see friends, right now we are getting close to 90% and the battery dropped to 4% only. So you can see the temperature is of 43.4 degrees right now, 43.6, so 90%. So let's see friends how much the score will be expected in this Realme X7 Max. That is a really interesting thing. So 43.4 right now. As you can see friends, the AnTuTu benchmark test has been successfully completed, and these are the scores which we got, and finally the temperature is of 43.8 degrees. As you can see 43 degrees right now it's detecting overall. So the score also decreased, as you can see friends. Before it used to be 6,87,000, and right now we are getting about 6,77,000. Definitely it's decreased, but this is not the case with the IQ7 device. The IQ7 device was able to perform really good even when the battery percentage is 1% and 2%. Still I was able to get 7 lakhs benchmark. That's a really good thing, but that's another case which I'll try to compare both phones. So but these are the results for the Realme X7 Max, as you can clearly see friends. And thank you for watching this video, and for more unique kind of videos, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. And these are the battery temperature and the draining, all these details. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.